Welcome. Whoa! Okay. Welcome and be inspired with Dominic. And I've been meaning to put out another. It's really getting out of hand. I've been meaning to do another project this week, but my shop is full of some kind of chaos magic.
And you will perish in chaos.
The auditor? From that ongoing storyline?
I am here now, and I appropriated the cult's ritual chamber to flood your shop with chaos.
Our ritual chamber?
The unheated one.
Too late to fire up the heating now.
No need to rub it in. And I wasn't even ready to start a new project.
Why not?
Well, maybe due to the overabundance of chaos magic in my shop. Now, where did I leave my pencil? My own chaos magic is bad enough, but being attacked like this...
Did they really go to our ritual chamber for that ritual? And a lengthy one at that.
I have a bad feeling about this.
If only something would appear to help me. Well, reminds me of last year when something dropped into my shop and that happened to be magic.
No, not again. Are you okay?
We are.
But we are used to the cold thanks to Cultist 1.
See, I did this all for you.
Hope that won't affect your rating. Quickly, let's thaw them up.
I'll get some blankets.
We need a source of heat. Can you order warm water on the internet?
Stop dissing the lair. Seems to be working. Let's load it up.
We could set fire to the blankets.
Big thanks to Grundfunkel for this amazing trinket/treasure from the Fools with Tools treasure trade, trinket trade, double T. And finally I can get back to cleaning up my shop. Now that most of the things I tend to misplace are kept safe in this organizer, and apparently the auditor got frozen over. We'll see how that turns out in the future. Just in case you're inspired, which is generally my hope, comment inspired down in the description. You should know the drill by now. I hope I can get back to a proper project next week and also take care of the dragon outside. How could I forget? I've eaten nothing but sawdust for weeks. It's tasty sawdust though. Thank you for watching. Join me on Discord. Look out for the next video, and as always, remember to be inspired. That was my own chaos magic. I need to do something about that. Where did I put that board? Now, if only something would appear to help me.